Hi, welcome back, boys. This is Mr. Leandro, and I'm here to help you do some activities from the Cambridge Primary Path material. Let's go! Today, we'll learn about similarities and differences. Let's start first with similarities. Similarities. What are they? Look at these cars, for example. They are almost equal, almost the same. They are similar. The red car is similar to the grey car. Now, what about these dogs? Are they similar? Yes, the white dog is similar to the brown dog. They are similar. Now, let's read these words. Differences. Differences. What are they? Look at these backpacks. They are not similar. They are not the same. They have different colors. For example, one is green and the other one is red. They are different. What about these dogs? Are they similar or different? Yes, they are different. One is small and the other one is big. But what about us, people? Are we similar or different? Think about your friends, your family members. Any idea? Of course, we are all different, and that's okay. A person can be tall or short. A person can have straight hair or curly hair. Differences are okay because they make life fun. Congrats, boys! Now that you know what similarities and differences are, it's time to have fun. Go back to the Neo platform and find out.